Canva has been on fire this past year, coming up with features that has honestly left my jaws dropped to the floor. But the new features that have got me the most excited is definitely their animation and video editing tools. Now, one specific animation tool has got me the most intrigued, and that is their Create an Animation feature. They claim that this feature allows you to create custom animations by simply just dragging and dropping an element across the page. I don't know about you, but that sounds incredible. Hello, I am Cheryl here at the Made on Sunday studio. I talk all about branding, design, and creative entrepreneurship on this channel. So if you are creating and growing your own creative business right now, then be sure to subscribe to follow along. Now, before we get into this tutorial and check out the Create an Animation feature on Canva, I wanted to let you know that my newest Skillshare class, Romanticize Your Business, Video Content Creation with Canva, is launching on August 28th, 2023 this year, like in a couple weeks. This class teaches service-based entrepreneurs, designers, copywriters, coaches, you name it, to start marketing themselves with video content creation. Now, I'm going to take you through all the basics from how to strategize and set your goals for your video, how to script, how to create a shot list, what kind of equipment you need, filming with just your iPhone, and then editing with the Canva video editor. So if you're ready to start creating video content as a marketing strategy for your business, then be sure to sign up for the waitlist. It comes out on August 28th. I'm gonna leave the links of the waitlist in the description below. And if you're watching this video after the 28th, then I'll also leave the link to take the class with my 1-month free trial to Skillshare as well. Now, with that being said, let's test out the Create an Animation feature together. Okay, welcome to my laptop. We are on the Canva, on my Canva account right now. And for this tutorial, I think I'm gonna start off with like an Instagram story, something with a video element to it. And I'm thinking to kind of test out this feature, this Create an Animation feature. Actually, first off, why don't we just create a very simple one? Let's just say we have, let's find an image, a background image. I'm gonna look for like a green field. Okay, I'm gonna use this photo right here. There we go. And then I'm gonna look for an image that I will animate. Let's look for like butterfly. Let's say this one right here. Let's just say we want this butterfly to go fly around like this. But right now, obviously, the only thing it's doing is flapping its wings, right? Now, if we actually go into Animate, we're gonna create an animation right here at the top. You can actually right now hold and drag this animation. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, let's just pretend that this flying up, you see how it's creating like a line right now? That is the animation line is going to go. So the route. All right, so let's just watch it back. You see how it has just mimicked that line that I created? Now you can also click on smooth to make it more smooth. Let's see how that will look. Definitely flies a little bit smoother. Or steady. Actually, steady looks really good. I think that looks better than smooth. Smooth looks really slow for some reason. We can also speed it up. And then this will actually make it like orient to the direction that it's going. So for example, if this is like a school bus or something, it will actually move the school bus around so that it's oriented the correct way. Let's just see that again. You see how the butterfly is flying towards the direction? That's what it means by orient. So I don't think that looks very good. I think butterflies kind of fly just kind of normally like that. There's actually these new like motion effects as well. You can like add on to it if we wanted to. It will like flicker, which is pretty cool. Just going to remove those. You can make it pulse. It's getting like bigger and smaller, which is also pretty cool. And then there's also wiggle. It's kind of hard to tell with this like maybe if I made it wiggle more, you see how it's like wiggling right now, which is kind of weird for butterflies. So maybe not so much that. I do like the pulsating one, so maybe we can play around with kind of make it look like it's bobbing around to the different places. So that makes it definitely a little bit more realistic. Let's play it one more time, just see how it looks. That actually looks really cool. So that's one example, a really example of how you can create an animation. Next, I'm actually going to create an animation, just an example for like a marketing piece. Like let's say we have, I'm going to play with like a cloudy background, and I'm going to choose something like maybe, ooh, that's really cool. Maybe like this. I'm going to add in text. So let's just say we're doing like some sort of sale of some sort, and we're announcing the sale. So I'm going to pick one of these really cool fonts here. I think this one looks really good. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to change this to sale starts like now, let's say it like that. And you want it to kind of be revealed out. So in order to reveal it, actually, I think this needs to be pink. Yeah, this one. Okay, that looks so much better. Okay, great. And then we are going to actually bring in some clouds now. And I'm going to let the clouds kind of unveil the message. So I'm going to use this one right here, duplicate this, and duplicate this, and I need this to go forward. Yes, maybe one more. Okay, so there's 4 clouds right here, and right now it's kind of like hiding the message a little bit. I want the animation to kind of go like this and kind of reveal the message. So let's do that right now. I'm going to animate this one. I'm going to go to animate. I'm going to create an animation, and I'm going to let this kind of flow this way and then flow back out this way, kind of revealing the message like that. And I'm going to make it a little bit more steady. Maybe the speed needs to be adjusted a little bit. Maybe a flickering effect. Ooh, that's really cool, but let's flicker less. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's try that. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the other few clouds. So I'm going to animate this, and I'm just going to drag it in. Again, let it kind of leave the page a little bit. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to do the next one. Okay, just going to let that one kind of flicker out, and then I'm going to do the last one. Let it kind of go down. Okay, let's just see how that looks, and then hopefully at the end it will reveal the message. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. That's so cool. Sale starts now. Okay, so this definitely can be a little bit smoother in terms of the actual animation itself, but you can kind of see how you can utilize this create an animation in a way where you can reveal messages or move kind of elements around the page in whatever fashion you like. One other way that I'm thinking this can be used is in like, let's say I have this video. Okay, let's bring a video in, and let's say I am just speaking in front of the camera. Let's just say it's this one. Okay, so let's pretend that I want like this image, for example, to come up on the screen as I'm speaking. So I'm gonna go to the beginning of this, and then I'm gonna make this bigger, and I'm going to make this animate. So I'm going to start from a more neutral position, and then I'm going to create an animation. Okay, I'm going to pull this up, and it's going to go reveal itself like this. And I don't think I did it very smooth, so I'm going to put on steady, and it's just going to stay on the screen like that. Okay, perfect. So as I'm speaking, this icon will show up. You are growing your chip, yo. There we go. So I can totally see this being used as like a YouTube intro or something. Maybe you want your title to kind of pop up onto the screen, or you want like different bubbles or icons to show up, kind of just depicting the different elements that you're talking about to come up on the screen. So it's a very interesting way where you can kind of quickly create this animation on your own just by dragging and dropping an element onto your screen. I'm sure there are so many other creative ways for you to create an animation, but these are just 3 of the different ways that I'll be showing you today. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Now remember, if you want to check out my latest Skillshare class, it is called Romanticize Your Business Video Content Creation with Canva. It is all about the basics to how to create video content as a marketing strategy for service-based entrepreneurs. I'm going to be taking you through all of it, from scripting, strategizing, creating your shot list, preparing your equipment, and then finally we're going to be filming with just your iPhone and then editing with the Canva video editor. So if any of this piques your interest, then be sure to sign up for the waitlist below. The class comes out on August 28th, and if you're watching this after the 28th, then I'll leave the links below to sign up for my 1-month free trial to Skillshare, and you can take the class basically for free. All right, I'll see you there. Bye.